Well, I thought I'd give you guys a quick little update on our draining the swamp project that we did. Keep it from eroding the road. Yep. You got a small little flow of water. The other out pipe is right over there somewhere-ish. Of course, there's two.
This thing's a little higher.
There it is right there. And then this is kind of the overflow pipe, but it has holes all the way through it, so we didn't really want to use that one in the bottom because we didn't want the whole road getting saturated.
Make it soft.
Yep.
Nice.
And we still got the swamp effect. But now our road is actually not in danger anymore, except for it's too narrow. Basically, guys, I have 2 points of view here. One on a tripod and one in the cab. Pushing these trees over. I learned this technique from Andrew Camarata and his YouTube channel. Basically, you dig up around the roots and you just push them over. I found that when you push up against the tree, if you curl out with the bucket, it tends to push it over a little bit easier without lifting the track hoe up any more than it would normally lift up. So that's something pretty cool I learned doing that. Anyways, guys, don't forget to share this on your Facebook or your social media site of preference, and stay tuned for more fun with the excavator. Basically, right here, I got confused which way I was trying to track the machine to walk it. It's really confusing, and you can definitely get confused doing it, because whenever you do a 180, the foot pads are the exact opposite of which way you were tracking with the machine. So right there, when I pushed over those 3 trees, that's when I hit the camera. So that was kind of crazy. I didn't even know the camera was over there. And it has battle scars, that's for sure. So that's what I use my YouTube money for. When I do make any money on YouTube, it goes to buy, you know, camera equipment and other stuff for the channel. I really haven't made a whole lot of money on YouTube. But if you guys want to help support the channel, don't even hesitate. Support us by pounding that like button and subscription button, and also we really appreciate you sharing the videos. It really helps us out, and it tells YouTube that we're doing a good job, and we appreciate it. So keep on doing what you're doing.